Alright, still guy big tank from Double South and we still on the CSS matter to go. So this tutorial now I want show now how to use the pseudo classes and pseudo elements they designed for CSS now. So how would you run a pass? So what I could do quickly, I'll come this place now, create one container now, one div now, the class or give the div now a container. Then inside that div, I'll call create some other classes like box. So I'll just go down sharp. I'll say container. Inside this container now, I want to use I want to put box now. Mind you, I'm using my MX now, so I'll create like 6 box or say times 6. Tap it is here now. I don't create the box them now. Then I'll just go and style and sharp. So that I will do. I can say okay. Dot container dot box. So normally this pseudo elements them so or pseudo class rather. With it actually they get difference yeah. It's just that to explain difference now you go do one kind. Unless I need to show now, then when I don't show now finish now, I'll tell now so okay now say be to get. So what you have to do share at least it go ease some of the way like say we take the write some of our CSS code. You know, need to go they give them a classes when be like say you want to select some kind of different things or you could key yourself see how you want to do and pass. But any share so the one that they go use that's the B. So the way they style this box now, say since I give a height 150 pixel and width 150 pixel, then I see the background color be red, then that's okay. My image be like 20 pixel. You see so. So I'll go my browser and I'm around this thing now. So if I run now, this way they happen now. See I see all of just line each other. So I don't go to that side. I don't talk before for my former video now. If I want something like that before now, flex now you go use. So now what I go do, I'll just come in and I'll say container, then give and display flex, display flex. You see now all of the line each other like this now. So what I go do now, I'll come this place now, say okay. The first thing I want to say, you see this guy now, so this first one now, so I want to change the color. You know, so normally what we go do, if you come here now, we'll say, see all of see now box will give them. What we do now, if you come this place before now, we'll call say more target box. If we say target the if you come here now, add another class now, just put like 1 here. You see how? So if you come here now, I will say dot container dot box dot 1. Then we give the background color to be green. B. You see it work like this. Then if you come here again, I want target now because it's 2 now. But if we don't want like that, what do we do? We see instead of this thing, what we'll do now, so instead of this 1, what we'll do, I'll delete and come on here. If we use something like this now, we'll put colon, then we'll say first child. We'll put colon, we'll say first child. You see how? It is show green. If I change the green now to yellow, so it happen now. It does change to yellow first child. What if we want to target this one now? Another one there be like in our last child. They can just duplicate this guy quickly now. You see last. They might give this guy like brown to resemble. Make I give him golden rod. I don't like this name, golden rod. Alright, so refresh now. You see how now, so it does change color now. But if we want target all these guys, so like see that did the middle now. So if we want target all these guys now, do we say if we come this place now, so instead of this first side and last side, again what that's what we use. If we say not duplicate this guy, if we say instead of first child, we'll see nth child. You see nth child. So the nth child now, so you put colon nth child, then you get this bracket where the now. So this bracket now, if you specify the number of the child now. So counting from this step, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is 6 children at the end now. So I say okay, number 3 picking now. So I want color and green. This is number 3 picking. I want color and green. This I'll do now. I'll come here now. So inside the browser now, I'll say 3. So sorry, inside the bracket, I'll put 3. Then I'll type green. You see, it does change the color now. It does change the color here now to green. So if we actually target all of them like that now, so if we come out of this one, I'm just comment that quickly now. Then instead of that first side now, our comments now, I'll say 1. Then I'll still give them the I'll put blue this time now. I'll say blue. You see, it does show blue now. So then I want web like so if you see target all these guys now, what do they use now? We use sudo class to do now. So on that one, if we do again, if we say okay, once we hover on this box, and so I don't know for sure, maybe I don't know one of these videos, but I'll just come again. If we hover on this one, I make the color of inside now change. So I'll just copy this guy quickly now. Then I'll come here. I'll say colon hover. So they say by the time they hover on them now, say maybe their color change to which color we'll go put now. Must see color. Shocking pink, not the hot pink there. Mostly hot pink. So I'll come in and I'll refresh and I'll say okay. You see, by the time I do sorry. By the time I do hover now, it doesn't show pink. Show you see. By the time I do hover now, it show pink now. At least it's gonna make our side the interactive waka now. So that one. Then another place we'll do again now. So in fact, to do that one, I'll demonstrate that with impute feed. So I'll come in, I'll say form. Inside this form now, I want impute. So I'll just break this one down. Then break this guy down. So I'll say this impute now. I'll just put placeholder inside because I will do placeholder on too. I'll say type something here. So master line quickly. Enter the form and impute. We'll give a margin of like 20 pixels so that I go shift come outside. You see, they must make them big. So I'll say padding, map padding like 10 pixels. They must change the width. The width to like which one good pass now? More like 500 pixels. I think go long way. Alright, so the same say I think come here now. Type it on type as I like now. So now you get one select one pseudo element now what we use for this impute feed now. They call it focus. We'll duplicate this one now, delete the already inside. Then after the impute now, I'll put on my single colon now, then I'll say focus. So I might just copy this in quickly now. Match out to gray. So easy happen we say why we click inside now. We'll start to type. Just I don't know so. Impute background color focus the comma. You know the commas I don't want. Is that they do wrong now? Look form impute. Come put red first. Red work. Why the grey not gonna work now? It work. Maybe get to do the refresher. Maybe I not refresh something. Couple of settings work from Hana. So that could be say more just change the color to sky blue. You see so by the time we click inside now, they type something else where you see the color change. I will ultimately they work like that because of this focus swap for you now. So You see, once if colon, I will put focus because I see dynamic, it they happen like that now. So you see now, so if you want to okay, as you focus on now, then the color, make the color change to red as the type. Come on, put this red. Oh, I use red bag. So now you did like shade. You see the red show now. So now find web if you say style your forms too, and sweet things web if you did for your form. So that's the show you right now. So now we don't do the focus now. Then another one we do again. We still work on the placeholder. Since the placeholder just the number now, we'll click the show red. If you don't say okay, one will never touch my toss here. Be this placeholder idea and also be the placeholder color still change. So I go duplicate this one, then I'll say place holder. But since I place holder now, instead of one single colon, I will put 2 colon. You see, 2 colon. If I put one, I know it will work. So I'll put 2 colon. Then I change this one to the open color. I must select color now. Sure. No, if you rest again, I must select this one. I mind that's what this color picker command I plugin for this my text editor. So if you not do your own, but if you utilize them, but me, I need like to use them. You just can't tell you show yourself. Let me adjust my user now. So I'll refresh and say you need to see color again. If I change the color now to blue, match to blue. You can say they see the blue now. By the time I click now, it just change to you see they show blue, but now start to type now. They show red now. They show red now. They get so then the pseudo classes now web like say we use now for CSS SCADA once they web like the main like in fact before I go self here, might just do another one again. I'll say href, that is for anchor tag now. So that want to be say I just type click here to refresh. You see how now? Click here to refresh. You see how? So that'll be say I'll do in such a way that by the time you already visit the link, meaning you already click on. You see as I click and I show right now. Means I already go this place, come back now. I'll make the color change now to a different color. What have we do now? I'll say okay, anchor tag. Then I'll put I think now visited, yes. Then I'll say make the color be green. You see, I see the color change to green now because it would have visitor. In fact, what I'll do is say I'll come here again now. I'll duplicate. Okay. So they show the same. You can try something. I'll say div anchor tag hash. And this hash what they put now just to make sure say they go anywhere. So you can just refresh the page inside the same browser like that you get. Then we can put that hash there. So I might just type Facebook first, man. See or Facebook love. I'll show you. Click the link itself. And then Shamina, it passes another misbehave, but we'll leave for this one now. But he gets the point. So this visited now. This visited now based on you already visit this link before. You know me the color show and that. You want me the color change or major the show and that image so that you could like let you know so okay now link without visit you get. Then now when you could use this this thing here. But most times not be like say person the user. Even myself, I know the guy the user. But I just want to let you know so okay something like that the play for inside the CSS you get. So we'll do again God bless my video is too long now. We'll go now say paragraph then lorem. It's just I get these things for here now. So if I my style and P then margin. So made it up to 20 pixel, right 0 pixel, left 20, 10 pixel. bottom 0 pixel. Then make the width be like we'll be like 500 pixel first, mostly. I like the brick like now. So that one now say, see this first yellow. Wait, what's happen? Margin 0, 0, top right bottom left. Now this one 10. You can call the one that it makes space now affect for this corner here. Sure. How could it disgrace me? So that would be saying I want me the first letter now. So this L, you know, this kind of book or the kind of web like the first L go big. So maybe you design website and only you want achieve for your designer. You want me this L just carry big like that now. So you fit one. What you do now? Although if you come in now just kind of for span or use and say do what you want to show it. Let's see get on that way if you do. If you just come in and you say P, then say first letter. They just give her like font size now. With the font size, can make big in here. 4 pixel. You see, I say not big like that safe. My calculate like 44 pixel now. The size of the big in here now, so you see, if you don't like that now, if you come in house, I'll make a change the color safe. My pull like red. See, you see, it does show red now. Or that's what I do again with this one again. If it's okay, all of them be like the first line now, so maybe their color change. So what I mean to do now is I'll be say I'll come this place now. I'll say first line. So instead of red now, instead this major this one be like that. B. Okay, my can make begin here again. My can go like 74. We'll see. You see how they're big enough. Okay. You just got two bells, they're too big now. I'm up to like 16 pixel. I must say 18 pixel. The machine change color to green. We'll see. They see now so. So this red now they come from this first letter now so and this font size now. Why this other one now they show green now? They come from this first line. They see they come from this first line. So these are just the pseudo classes and the pseudo element stuff like that now. So now things will be like say if the practice and if the practice and now definitely you must see a reason you're gonna make you want to use them for inside your website. So I just like one level and say something like the play for inside the CSS now. So now I will end this video and maybe see practice so that at least you're going to be strong inside the matter they go in the now. So I'll see be a guy big time from the opposite out and not forget to like the video, see subscribe to the channel, tell your guys say that it happen every time. So I'll see you for the next video. Thank you.